right, it's now up to a judge to decide if Mobile Gas General Counsel is going to have to testify in a case involving a chemical spill. A group of 8 Mile residents suing Mobile Gas because they claim it's responsible for a chemical spill that's making them sick.
And those attorneys have a lot of questions for the gas company's general counsel, but will a judge allow them? Well, Fox 10 News reporter Letitia Bush was the only reporter in the courtroom, so did the judge make up his or her mind?
You know, he didn't today, and he has a lot to think about because both sides really gave some compelling arguments today. And Mobile Gas says Edgar Downing, the general counsel for the company, is protected by attorney-client privilege. Now, the plaintiffs claim he is more than a company's legal counsel.
Who is Edgar Downing? That was the question both sides try to answer today. Both sides agree Downing wears many hats. He is the senior vice president, secretary, and general counsel of Mobile Gas. But the plaintiff's attorneys claim Downing was also heavily involved in the handling of Mobile Gas's 2008 Mercaptan spill, and his testimony is crucial to their case. Judge Michael Young-Peter asked Mobile Gas's attorney, did he not have significant involvement in the incident? Mobile Gas said, yes, he did, but only in a legal capacity as the company's general counsel. The gas company claims Downing was not working on environmental issues related to the 2008 Mercaptan spill, and since he is the company's general counsel, what he did or said during that time is protected by attorney-client privilege. The plaintiff's attorney argued Downing was a big player at the time of the spill, and his knowledge of the incident should be put on the record.
So the judge says he'll make his decision soon. And as you know, Bob and Lenise, during the arguments, the judge asked once or twice, he wore several hats during this time, right? Or he was the unofficial environmental officer. Is that not correct? So you can tell he was trying to clarify his role in this case.
That's right. Now, if the judge allows the deposition, how do you think it'll affect us?
It's really 50-50. It's hard to tell because it depends on his answers, depends on what he says on the record, So we're just going to have to watch this carefully. Mobile Gas wants to make sure, though, either way, the other side does not get the chance to ask him many questions.
Yeah, in the meantime, though, we're hearing so much from residents who are just frustrated with this ongoing process.
Lenise, every time I go to 8 Mile, anybody I talk to say, I smelled it last night, or it's in my living room, so it's still there.
What about when you're there? Can you smell it?
It depends on the weather, really it does. If it's overcast, it's harder to smell, or where I am in 8 Mile. Right. It just depends, but I have smelled it on a number of occasions, and it is not pleasant.
All right, well, we're going to stay on top of this, and I know you'll let us know when the judge decides.
Yes, I will.
Well, the former commanding officer